Welcome back, traders. Another live episode here. Your host, Mr. Know-It-All. We have a special guest tonight who is an active STP member. We have Ryan here with us tonight. I don't think they saw you. Anyways, let's get Bitcoin up on the chart here. We have about an hour until the daily and weekly candle close. What's going on, guys? All right, so, I mean, in theory, this can actually come down to like 55.5, all right, and still be a valid inverse head and shoulders pattern. Okay, so we're going to see how this plays out. The daily is actually showing us some convergence, some bearish convergence. Although we're still sitting, obviously, in bullish territory on the MACD. Looks like my bodyguard, yeah. He's my bodyguard, guys. All right. So yeah, we're starting to build this negative momentum here on Bitcoin. The 4-hour actually looks like maybe we're starting to round on the 4-hour, but the daily obviously looks like we had some bearish convergence coming in, but we have some conflicting data, right? So it's tough to really make a call between the 4-hour and the daily chart right now, but the daily is showing us some signs that we could maybe go down, but the 4-hour is all implying the opposite. So, you know, I don't know. What do you guys want to make of that? The 4-hour is like showing. How's it going, guys? How's it going? The 4-hour is implying further upside. Maybe we maybe can go back up to touch. We can maybe go back up to touch 59.6, 59.7 area. Because the 4-hour is implying maybe further upside, all right? But the daily obviously is showing that negative momentum being built. All right, but obviously on the daily we have, you know, a full 24 hours. So the next 4-hour candles could be, you know, a touch of this neckline again. Will this affect alts? Probably yes. Probably yes. If we get further downside, it probably will affect the alts. Let's go check the market cycle chart real quick, just for validity of this, because this could be interesting. So the 4-hour market cycle chart is still implying the dollar is going down on the 4-hour here. So that's good. I mean, obviously that means Bitcoin probably goes up. All right, we had this little wedge break, it broke, and we had a little bit of a pullback. And you can see Bitcoin coming back into this triangle here towards the bottom of it. Right, we had a fake breakout, came back down. I'm thinking that this inverse head and shoulders pattern might be playing out, might be valid on the 4-hour. So the 4-hour looks like we might see, like I said, short term here, could see further move to the upside. We're gonna have to see how this plays out if we end up breaking this resistance or not. Okay. It's tough to really. What is H bar going to do? Let's look at H bar. Yeah, you know what? Let's look at Bitcoin dominance real quick. That's a good idea because we just did enter, you know, altcoin season. My computer is like lagging out right now. Well, there you go. SARS throwing shorts on Bitcoin dominance on the daily. That's a good sign. It's really slow today. GRT and Link. Yeah, we'll take a look at them. We're gonna look at H-bar real quick. Go back to that for a second. Nice, yeah, so H-bar still holding in this nice triangle here. You guys can see towards the bottom of the demand line. We got this breakout here, right? Just basically came back down to back test it. Looks like we might get a spring, might get a rally, okay? All coins are probably going to outperform, right? So probably if Bitcoin does consolidate or drop, it may or may not affect most of the altcoins at this stage of the rally, all right? But so H-bar looks like we can go right back up to the top in time, okay, in the next couple days. And that's definitely being implied on the hourly. That's definitely being implied probably on the 4 hour. And there it is. You have the bullish divergence right there on the MACD oscillator telling you that. But yeah, I'd be pretty confident that H-bar is probably going to go up in the next day or two. All right. All right, let's look at GRT and Link. So GRT, I have plotted here already. We had this inverse head and shoulders breakout. It's just coming back down to back test the breakout right now. Looks pretty good. Just kind of resting right now on the supply line that's now implying hidden bullish divergence here on the 4 hour. We'll see. We want to see this negative momentum kind of wean off, right? But right now you can see we're getting this positive price action. But we're building negative momentum on the 4 hour. This is extremely bullish, guys. All right, we're gonna see momentum move back to the upside over the course of the next day or two on GRT as well. All right, look at Link. So Link, we had this nice little falling wedge, which created this major breakout here for us. If you notice, guys, we got to the top of this parabola that we actually broke down out of and back tested it and rejected it. However, we are starting to make higher lows here. Have I looked at what is that TTIN? No, Ryan, we haven't looked at that yet. I don't even know what that is, but I'll take a look at it here in a second. Oh, Tron. Yeah, Tron's lit, dude. You guys are lit on Tron. Where's the hype in the chat for Tron on the 4.5 cent call out? Come on, guys, smash up the like button, hit the subscribe button if you guys are new to the channel. All right. Yeah, so Link just back testing now this breakout, right? We broke out, now we're back testing. I think we're going to see possible continuation for Link, right? The daily is pointed down right now. This is the pullback we're getting, but we're sitting in bullish territory, 56 on the RSI, all right? So this looks still okay to me. We do have some, negative momentum, or the positive momentum sort of weaning here, but not confirmed. We just crossed bullish on the daily. All right. We do have the stochastics on the daily pointed down. So like we could come back into bullish territory or something here and just go on another run. We've had Tron for 3.5 years. God bless you, buddy. Huh. All right. So what was it? Tron. Yeah, let's take a look at Tron. Hey, Moda Mayhem, thank you so much for the $5 super chat, brother. Appreciate it. Thank you so much, man. You probably made some money watching the streams, right? Oh, GNUS. Yeah, I was looking at this the other day, man. Is it gonna do? Is it gonna do the thing? Is it gonna do the thing? I don't know, man. We got maybe a couple months left on this pattern, but this looks like a major setup, guys. Major setup. Major setup here. Ryan, what do you think, man? You think it's going to go to the moon?
We're going to the moon.
He says we're going to the moon, guys. We're going to the moon. Excellent, excellent. Yeah, I think this looks pretty good. Another one that if you guys were talking about stocks right now, another one that I'm actually long on is Solo, guys. This one put I think a weekly higher low in, or Did we put a higher low in? 428 and 424. So didn't quite put a higher low in. I think this is a nice little flag setup here on solo on the weekly. Like, we're building this negative momentum here, but if you go to like the 3-day chart, you can kind of see the momentum weaning, right? So I think I went long at like 460s. I mean, if this breaks down further, I'll probably just continue to I'll just continue to dollar cost average this. I think this is, you know, a long-term hold, okay? An EV stock, right? Thank you so much, Ryan, for the $5 super chat. Appreciate that. Yeah, let's take a look at Filecoin. Let's do that. It's pretty much, what do you know? We pulled right back at the 886 pip extension. I have it circled here. Okay, this was the next level to test, and we couldn't break it. But looks like it might be trying to set up to break it, right? Started making this cup pattern here. Regsy, how you doing, man? So starting to make this cup pattern, okay? This is usually a continuation that we see on most assets that do this. So we have this low, this double bottom low. We got a rally. We're starting to make higher lows again. Coming out of this negative momentum, you can see this, guys. That's right, Mac. That's right. That's right. Let me go ahead and change this for a second. Yeah, so Filecoin looks like, I mean, let's throw the SAR on and see what the SAR is throwing here. All right, SAR isn't throwing any signals right now. So, the hourly's still tilting towards the bullish side, okay? Still sort of tilting towards the bullish side. We got this little cup formation here. Or we haven't started throwing longs yet on the hourly, but we're at that pivotal spot, okay? 15 minutes throwing longs right now on Filecoin. Reef. Oh yeah, let's check out Reef. See what happened with that. We got this little mini wedge breakout on it. Hey, Art of Tahiti, no problem, man. I guess we can kind of draw the demand line from back here. So it's getting tight on the range, right? Getting tight. There's probably an area of value here, right? Towards the bottom of the demand line, again, on the 4-hour here. Just about to cross up here, right? This divergence here being shown, implying price action to the upside. You can see the squeeze here on the DMI indicator. Nice squeeze. Yeah, one of my followers is really following me, guys. He's right back here. Ryan, tell the community how long you've been part of STP and how well you've done with the services and the products. Your live testimony right here.
Can they hear what I said?
Yeah, speaking to the mic. I'm gonna let Ryan speak for a minute, guys. Let's get Ryan on the show. It's on. You can just speak into it.
All right, yeah. So, I've been with STP for like probably 2 years at this point, maybe a little less than 2 years. Either way, I think it's one of the best communities you could be a part of. I think the guy that's leading the ship here, you couldn't ask for a better captain. Guy cares about everything he does. He puts his life into the charts, and he wants everybody to do well. A lot of communities, you just want your paycheck. They just want you to contribute, and they don't really care about you. You're just another number to them. This guy genuinely cares about every single person here to do well, and he continues to try to better his craft every single day by doing better charts, better things, teaching people, and really just genuinely caring about the community. So I'm really honored and grateful to be a part of this thing. No idea who this dude was. Actually, when I joined the first time, a buddy told me, he's like, yeah, STP's pretty good, go check it out. I joined, paid the membership fee, and then like a few days later, Mr. No gave me a call. He's like, hey man, just wanted to say thank you for joining. And we just hit it off. Now I'm at his house watching him how he charts and stuff like that, learning even more. But he's actually become a friend to me in my life, and he's a real legit dude. And I don't think you guys could be in a better place. If you want to learn, if you want to be better, be profitable, he's definitely called a couple of trades that you could put like, $50,000 to $60,000 on just a few. But at the end of the day, man, it's all about being in the right community, and this is the place to be. So thanks for having me. I'm going to keep being his bodyguard, sit back here. Whatever you guys need, ask him.
Thanks so much, Ryan, for the live testimonial, man. I really appreciate that. Appreciate you having you up here today. It's a pleasure to have you here on the show, and thank you so much, man. Appreciate you coming out. All right, guys. So back to the reef chart here. This looks pretty good. We can see that the top of the range is like up to about 184%. Once we break out of here, man, you're talking about 184%. All right, basically up to this wick high. It's like Tetris, right? So like, boom, you can clearly see the bottom of this range, this bottom of this demand line here. We got started to get this scrunching of the range, okay? Open mic night, yeah, man. We're gonna probably do that more frequently. I think maybe next week we're gonna get some folks that are from the community on the Zoom. I'm gonna do like a Zoom call and just have everybody just kind of hanging out on the stream this week, and we're just gonna hang out. All right. Sounds good, man. Sounds good. But yeah, it's like Tetris, right? So like you see the measured move here is 185%. Well, we can almost get, like, I don't think there's no guarantees in this market, but we can almost assume that it's going to go to the wick high here, right? Because there's nothing really up here once you get above it. V-chain, yeah, let's look at V-chain. My boy Ryan back here has got a bag of V-chain too. Sure, he'll appreciate the analysis. All right.
I definitely appreciate it. Big bag.
All right, so V-chain. Yeah, Bitcoin Cash as well. Yeah, that's definitely one that nobody's talking about that is definitely setting up for something. All right, so V-chain looks good, right? You got this nice demand line here. You're making these higher lows. And you got the supply line up here. You're getting really tight on this range. That's like that's an ascending triangle set up right there on the 4-hour time frame, okay, guys? That's looking really nice. You're looking at about a 38% measured move once you break the top side of the range. And I even have it marked off on the chart, roughly around 12 cents, probably your first target, okay? Your first major target. All right, so V-chain looks good. Hey, make sure you guys smash up that like button if you guys haven't done so already. Hit the subscribe button if you're new to the channel and you like the content here. And make sure you guys tick the little bell to get all of the updates here at Swing Trade Pros. All right. Bitcoin Cash and BLZ. Yep, let's take a look at them. So Bitcoin Cash, I think I already had this mapped out. Yeah, we got the breakout here the other day. I think we called this out in the Discord, by the way, with the paid alert service. We called this out around $500 US. Guys, we're already up more than 10% on this trade. So we can see that this is forming something really nice on this chart. WRX, BLZ, and DOT. We'll take a look at it, man. But look at this compression of range happening here for Bitcoin Cash, man. This looks like it's about to explode. Looks really nice on the chart on the daily as well. Okay. Just maybe get a little bit of a pullback here and trend up, all right? BLZ. We got the inverse head and shoulders breakout. All right, there it is. Back tested it, sprung right off of it, and now it tried to rally above the 886 fib extension. And getting really close here now to breaking all-time highs. Gregsy, we'll look at Wing. I know you requested it before. I'm sorry. I skipped over it there. Sorry about that. But yeah, so this looks good. Although the daily doesn't look too hot, right? We got some negative momentum being built, but we're still making positive price action. So the 4 hour, actually the 4 hour looks good. The 4 hour is implying upside, but that could just mean we make a lower high. Okay, so just watch out for that. Like we could just get this move up, back up to here, and then reject it and come back down. Okay, so 4 hours implying upside, but the daily is implying potential downside. All right, so just be aware of that. And what were we supposed to look at? Wing. Look at that real quick. Bang! What do you know, man? This is following straight up into the what I called out here. I think it was last stream, Regsy, right? Didn't we call this out at like 40 bucks on this break? We're about to break the top side of the pattern, man. ONT, I looked at the other day. It looked amazing on the chart. There it is. There's that breakout we got. Beautiful. Inverse head and shoulders pattern. We're getting this break right now. Happened. 10% move already today. OMG, EOS. Dot, WRX. We got to cover dot and WRX. Yeah, so ONT looks great. We got the measured move here once we break this topside neckline of 546%, bringing you right to the all-time highs. I mean, like, what else do you guys want, man? This is what you want to see. This is a 5x opportunity, right? Looks great. Looks great. All right, so WRX. Well, I guess it exceeded the measured move of the range, so that's good. But you see how you wicked off this right here, this $6 area. It looks like you might be kind of pulling back here, right? You wicked off of it pretty hard. Although the daily looks really good. I would be careful with this, guy. It's up 159%, man. You know, I don't know. There's nothing to really chart here. It's literally straight up. You know what happens when things go straight up, right? That means once the buying pressure is done, it's just going to go straight down, right? So just be careful. Don't be long in this thing up here. You know, wait for it to come back down to reality. I mean, it's probably not going to come back to 40 cents, but you know, it'll probably consolidate. You know, and it'll probably lose you know, half of its value before it goes back up again, right? So I wouldn't be looking to buy this here, guys. It's, you know, even if it's going to continue pumping, just let it go, man. Like, find something that's a value area and be more confident in taking a position on something that's already up 150%. Okay. Anyways, guys, if it does break this 549 area, yes, it can go to 780, and if it breaks that, yes, it'll go to 13 bucks. If it just goes straight up, sure. I mean, like, who can chart that? I mean, like, there's nothing to chart here. I'm saying, all right? I don't want any of you guys getting wrecked. That's why I'm telling you guys that, all right? Dot is a different ball game here, right? Dot, nice bullish rectangle we formed here. We got the breakout, 35% measured move. I already have the target set up here, anywhere from 49 to 60 bucks in this range. Okay, once we broke this trading range here, 35% pretty much puts you right around 50 bucks. All right, that's Dot. OMG and EOS. OMG breaking out right now. Beautiful, right out of the triangle. Ryan, can we make this stuff up, man? Come on, dude. You're live right here sitting with me.
100% legit.
We're breaking out right now on the 3-day chart, on the daily chart. Verge. Oh my God, I was just talking about Verge. Is that actually doing stuff right now? I feel stupid if I didn't. I was gonna actually sell some of my Bitcoin for it, but whatever. Who's the homie in the background with the 9 tucked under the Flyers hoodie and DMC shades? My boy Ryan, guys. Just scroll back a little bit. He introduced himself and gave a little bit of a testimonial about STP. He actually met me through STP. So make sure you guys check that out. All right, but yeah, Verge BTC pair looks insane, man. This looks like it's gonna do something insane. There's gonna be news about it, right? There's gonna be news about it very soon once this breaks out and has like a 300% move. Oh my God, Vergecoin just partnered with Pornhub. Wait, didn't they do that last cycle? They did it again, guys. Something stupid like that. Anyways, EOS, I got sidetracked here. So OMG targets, we're looking at a major move here on OMG. All right, you're really tucked into this triangle here very nicely. Just on this little move right here, we're looking at about a 92% move. Wow, insanity. Yeah, OMG is going to 16 bucks, guys. See you there in a week, 2 weeks, maybe 3. All right, OMG, looking pretty good. Wow, what a chart. Seeing this, Ryan? Craziness, right?
You were on OMG at 4.
We were on OMG at $4. That's right. You're on it. Right. Okay. EOS. One of my least favorite coins, but looks really nice. Looks beautiful. Still hasn't broke out yet. It's about to do it. 290%, 300% measured move to the upside here on OMG. Look at that nice curvature you're seeing there, right? Low, these flutterings right here, higher lows. Lots of accumulation happening here on this chart. That 3-day chart just crossed up. Looks pretty mint for a move, man. Pretty mint for a move. So FTM, VSP, and Sky. Never heard of any of these.
Phantom, FTM.
FTM, yeah.
That's huge. I know somebody just put a 800,000 in there.
Yeah.
They're a layer 2 solution.
We got a guy in the Discord that told us to go long at 2 cents.
They're doing some big thing.
Yeah, we know about FTM, man. I had a trade on with FTM. That guy got screwed pretty hard. Yeah, 2,500% measured move. I think it did the move. No, it didn't. $2. So next real major targets, guys, for Phantom, longer term here. We're looking at them, right? Anywhere in these ranges, okay. And right now we're looking like nice flag, down sloping consolidation. In the buy zone on the STP DMI on the 3-day chart. We're starting to show, I mean, we might get, it didn't cross down just yet. We could get a spike, a positive momentum to come in, just boom, negate all this divergence right here on the daily. Looking pretty good for a Phantom coin actually right now. You can see how it's trying to make this higher low here on the daily today. Looks pretty good, man. Looks pretty good. Okay, Verge, Engine, APY Finance, OGN. I don't know if I've charted this anytime recently. I haven't. But yeah, it broke the bullish rectangle range that it was in. I actually remember calling this out. Maybe on a different chart or something I had. So perfect. You got the range breakout. Wonderful. Everyone can jump for joy. All right, so your next real target for this asset is that 350 area. You know, I would target this range here for the end of the bull cycle, probably, you know, $4 on up to maybe close to $10, $9 on this. All right. OGN. Mass, yeah, the news, right? Hey, let's look at XRP real quick. Speaking of news, I bet there's going to be some crazy effing news about this shenanigans tomorrow when this thing breaks out. You guys remember this pattern? XRP? I heard it's getting relisted back on Coinbase. It's going to send it to the moon, man. We've been talking about XRP for quite some time. And we started calling it out at like 47 cents, so there's that. It's definitely up since we started calling it. RDN would be amazing. Great analysis. Yeah, well, we can take a look at RDN. Look at XLM too, guys. Just starting to pivot right here on the weekly. We're gonna be closing this weekly candle here in about 30 minutes. And we broke out of this little falling structure here. We back tested it now. We're gonna spring, okay? XLM still hasn't really done anything yet, man. Just wait, just watch. It's gonna go. Once it breaks the top side of this range, man, there's really not much up here. It literally went straight down, right? So it's gonna go. What's it gonna do, Ryan? If it goes straight down, it's gonna go
right back up.
Straight up. Thank you so much, Greg. I appreciate that, man. Moda Mayhem, you better add to that fat bag because it's going to do some things. All right. What did I miss here? ADA. My brother's watching the stream right now. He appreciates the ADA content here. Still in a big up-sloping ascending triangle here. We're just at the bottom of the triangle. Probably a great place to go long if you guys haven't done so already. The daily looking nice and poised for a move here pretty soon. You can see that negative momentum starting to wean off here on the daily chart, and we're looking like we're rounding out here on the daily as well. All right. 4 hour implying price action to the upside as well. See that hidden divergence there with the low and the same low on price. Looks good. Looks good. You know, once you break out of this little range right here, you're looking about a 20% move. And then once you know, one test, two tests, the third test, the top of the triangle, guys, the more times you test a resistance, the more likely it is to break it. And we're looking 88% measured move once you break out of the triangle, guys. 88% puts Cardano pretty close to $3. All right, 275. Beautiful. Nice looking chart. Snow Swap, MBL, and Sky, and Engine. Okay. Never even heard of some of these. So we're going to cover Engine first. I know about that one. Yeah, we got the falling wedge break. Kind of, sort of went to the upside there. We redraw this now that we have a little bit more data as to what it's doing. Still got this top side resistance here. And we got this demand line here. So Engine actually looking like it's coming to the pinnacle area here of a breakout. Right, we got 1, 2, implying price action to the upside on Engine coin. So there's Engine. And your measured move on Engine is 79% measured move. $4. Braden, I don't know, man. 1, we can look at Harmony 1, yeah. We got Sky and MBL to look at. Never even heard of Sky coin, but it's probably in the moon. Oh wait, I guess I had thrown it out a while ago. What do you know? Cup formation. Weird. RDN and IOTA, yeah, sure. I had this circled for a reason. Interesting. 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 Okay, so I mean, do you guys see what I see here? What do you guys see before I draw it? I want to hear in the chat what you guys see on Sky here. I'm surprised we only have 32 people watching tonight, man. I guess it is a holiday, right? What do we got here on this Sky chart? Hey, nice work, Sorge. What is this before I draw it? Come on. My students. Yes, it is a cup. That is definitely something that it is. It is a cup. Okay, everyone is just looking at the short-term chart. Yes, if you're just looking here, it's a cup. Okay, but let's look longer term. We're looking at a weekly chart. What do you guys see now? Look a little familiar? You guys see it now? Inverse head and shoulders pattern, guys. We all know how these perform in bull markets. Inverse. It's a head and shoulders bottom. Yep. Inverse head and shoulders. Major move coming for this asset. 165% measured move here once the neckline breaks. So at least back up to 18 bucks. All right, Skycoin done. On to the next. Raiden. Raiden wins. You guys know Mortal Kombat? Come on. We broke out on the inverse head and shoulders pattern here. Beautiful. So your next real level here to break is this 250 area. Once we get up there, looks pretty solid to me. It looks like just a back test or maybe a little bit of rejection here on the weekly, but we're still making higher candle body closes on the weekly here. We're about to close the weekly here in about 22 minutes. What did I miss here? Did I miss any other tickers? Oh yeah, Harmony 1 and IOTA. And Annie wants APY. Alright. Is APY even a coin on TradingView, man? Can't chart that. How about here? We're getting pretty close on the tight range here on the daily on this asset. The 4 hour, yeah, the 4 hour looks good, actually. All right. You're in a nice flag here. APY Finance, I guess this is. No idea what they do, but I'm sure it's one of those yield farming tokens, right? So if you want to get a range, whoa, why is it doing that? That's not what I. Some more. Okay. Yeah, so this looks pretty good, Annie. Looks like you got some nice upside here to be had. 670% measured move on this, guys. This is pretty insane. But yeah, up to like 13 bucks on this soon. 15 bucks. All right, cool. MBL. Damn, Verge is gonna go pretty hard here.
Verge a buy? Do a long?
I didn't do it yet. MBL. I'm not gonna go for that scam wick, but I'm gonna take the wick down here. And yeah, your next real target here is 5 cents on the weekly. Guys, don't be buying into pumps, all right? There's not really much TA to be done here. Okay, bottom to top, 800 to 88%. Let's just call it 890 for round numbers. Yeah, I mean, basically right where I said, about 5.2 cents. Might get there and then maybe get a major pullback, all right? On MBL. Oh yeah, Harmony 1. We pretty much got to the target, and what have we done since we got to the target, guys? We've been pulling back. I even said we could get a 50% correction. Here we are, correcting. Not much to be done here. Looks like maybe some more rejection on the daily. All right, maybe a little bit more of a pullback here as well. What did Algorand do? That thing down. What was it? TVK. Is that Uniswap token?
Yeah, it's also on Binance.
It is. So TVK requested by Ryan back here. Is all the chart data?
I guess. Or like
3 cents. Like 30. Maybe there's more here. Yeah, much more data. This looks nice. Very nice. And 70 cents.
Binance.
Wow, you're late. Yeah, you told me about this one.
Yeah, way more.
NFT coin here, guys. NFT coin, Terra Virtual Collect. Our boy Ryan back here got in at 6 cents. Looks really good. Looks like it's going higher. 72%. Back to the top of the way.
Got big news.
Big news. They got big news coming out, guys. What's about to happen? I don't know. Falling wedge breakout, maybe? Front. We'll take a look at front. No, I didn't forget one. Band. Yeah, we can look at band. Yeah. Band and front. Let's take a look at them. Band broke out. There's the breakout. Looks like we're making a cup continuation pattern as well. It's implying further price action to the upside on the 4 hour right now. Right? We're implying it. We're implying. Look, you're getting the cross up here on the 4 hour. Looks really nice. Pushing long band. Already out of resistance.
Only 15.
I know, right?
Called it at 30.
Call it at 30. Let's see if we can find. Let's see if we can find the band call out. Let's see if we can find the band call out in the alerts chat. I don't know if I still have the history on it, man. I think that channel got deleted when we redid the channel. Yeah. Band. Well, we certainly called it out back here in February. What's this? Kava. Oh man, look at the Kava. This Kava setup, man, was sick. Anyways, let's go look at Tezos. People were asking about that. Yeah, I think it finally broke this $4.38 area. We were looking at this yesterday. Actually, we're looking at this yesterday or the other day on a Zoom call around that $4.30 area. Is Adam still a hold? The answer is probably yes. Front. Let's look at front. We didn't do that one. Your favorite coin. Wow, it was 40 bucks it got listed at. Where'd you buy it? $4 or something?
Yeah.
So front looks pretty good. Ryan over here bought around $4 and like freaked out on it. And what'd you do? Panic sell or something?
Yeah, pretty much. I was told to buy it at 35 cents and I didn't.
Yeah, so this had 2 scammers. But yeah, this looks like it's just consolidating, guys. This looks pretty good. All right, probably setting up for a big move.
They got incredible partnerships. Definitely.
I might actually put a long on front. That looks pretty good, man. Oh, band. Yeah, we had it. We called band out at like 1060, right, Mac? I'm talking about early on, man. Early on, we called out band at like 30 cents in the alert chat, man. 30 cents, man. But yeah, this looks good. You're going to get a major move out of this asset. 400% move. Wow. 20 bucks or something on this. Shorter term, long term, whatever. What did we miss? Bezos we got. And we got. One we got. Front we got. Phantom we got. MBL we got. If you guys are enjoying the stream, make sure you guys smash the like button up. Hit the subscribe button if you guys are new to the channel. Join the Discord. Check it out, guys. Check out some of the STP products we got. The stock options and crypto alerts, which I handpicked these out and post them for you guys. I know we have a couple guys in the chat here that are part of the service. You know, you guys can definitely shed some light onto the chat here if you guys can. The real-time trading indicators and the automated trading indicator that we have, the SAR here, guys, is one of the top premium indicators that we have today with a 98.6% win rate. Aeon's been around. Yeah, that coin's been around for a while. I was trading that thing at, I don't know, man, like 5 cents or something. I don't remember. Then, yeah, look at it. Yeah, I was trading Aeon, of course, at the bottom. This looks like a massive cup continuation, right? Here's the cup. Just hold it, man. Just hold it. Hold it. We're just now getting to a 38.2% retrace on this asset. Okay. ORN and IOHK. Dent and Pro. Solana not stopping. Yeah, call that one out too. Looks like Dent's exceeding the measured move right now. It's happening. Alert's almost 20x my account in a month. That's crazy, man. Sounds like our price is too cheap. Oh my god. STMX, yeah, we'll take a look at it, man. ORN and IOHK and Pro. Alright, so there's not really too much to chart here on Dent. Looks like it's in price discovery. You know, from this little flag here, we're looking You know, you're looking at your next target up here, 1.8. Once you break that, you're looking at 2 pennies. Okay, you're already up 10% on the day, so be careful if you're in a long. But the stochastic still looks pretty healthy. You could get you could get some more continuation. Although keep a look on your RSI. You're at 89 on the RSI as well. All right. Definitely wait for this one to pull back to enter a trade. Right. ZZ, man, you want to like go advertise a shit coin somewhere else, buddy, or what? You're about to get put into timeout, buddy. Sorry. Timeout for you. Let's see. Solana, yes, not stopping. ORN and let's look at Pro. Probably on swap or something. Is it pros or is just pro? I guess just pro, right? Waiting for the data to come in on the charts. What do I prefer in coins, the fundamentals or the pumpamentals? I mean, what are you in this for, man? Are you in this for fundamentals? Or are you in this to make money? I don't know what's going on here, man. This chart's just not having what ticker I tried to put in there, so... Pro, it's called? I don't know. I guess we'll just look at it on HitBTC. I think this is it, right? Yeah. It's proppy. Okay, nice. Well, there you go. That helps. Proppy. No ticker. Proppy. This is what I'm on, right? I can look at ETH, yeah. Give me a second. I got STMX. We got whatever Mass asked for here. ORN and IOHK are up next. So this asset, you can see we're making like a bullish rectangle up here, just consolidating by resistance, okay? And the daily is making that hidden divergence here. Right, it's starting to play out. You already have 12% on the day. Okay, 4 hour probably looking really nice. Yep, it looks like you're about to get a major move right now out of this asset. All right, so stay tuned for that. Looks really nice. About a 100% measured move once you break the top side of the range. 101% is what you're looking at on that. ORN and IOHK. Interesting. All right, so yeah, maybe a descending, broadening wedge pattern here on this asset on the 4 hour, looking really nice, looking strong. Okay. The daily doesn't look as good as the 4 hour, but the 4 hour obviously, you know, making that price action before the daily comes in, which is going to close here in about 5 minutes now, and we're making a higher low on the daily chart. So this could be a local bottom, and bouncing off that top red band area is what we're getting right now. We're getting this bounce. So looks primed, man. Looks ready for a rock and roll move. At least to the top, right? At least to like 2350 in time, right? If you don't reject this this area up here on the daily. Okay. IOHK. Are they out? IOHK's out? Isn't that a Cardano thing, IOHK? I don't see that being a ticker, Mass. Let's look at ETH real quick, and then we'll go back to Bitcoin, as we're about to close that daily candle and weekly candle. ETH still looks good, man. 65 on the RSI. Trying to rally here. Like cupping out, right? Cupping out here. Starting to make higher lows again on the 4 hour. Coming out of that negative momentum. Sitting above 0 on the MACD as well on the 4 hour. Still a negative momentum, but making positive price action, all right, guys? So you can see that the selling pressure really hasn't really set in yet or hasn't come in yet. We are still at lower highs, so be aware of that. Be cognizant of that. Let's see what SAR is throwing us here. SAR isn't really throwing any signals right now, so it's kind of just going sideways here at the top of the range. We're actually we're throwing an hourly long signal on ETH, guys. So there you go. We put in some higher lows here on the hourly. Got to break this neckline, right? Got to break this neckline. Got to break this. This actually looks like a cup and handle. A mini cup and handle, right? You guys see it? See the cup? There's the handle. Can we get a breakout? All right. Hopefully that helps you. Hello, Master Trader, he says. How's it going, man? We're gonna look at URUS real quick. Yeah, absolutely, man. I had this charted out before, but we're gonna look at this again. We have some new data that came in, right? The Beck, we just covered OMG, man. Looks like it's about to break out, all right? So what I'm really liking about this chart is that it's consolidating right under the major supply line here. We call this a partial decline, okay? So it's like flagging right here, you know? And yeah, we'll get you on STMX. I totally forgot about that. Sorry about that. So this is looking at we're looking at like about a 15% move out of this range once we break it. Just on this little pattern here, okay? 13%, I guess. So up to 21. If you look left, that'll be, you know, I mean, this thing went straight down over here. So it'll once this breaks out of this range again, it'll just go straight up, and then it'll be in price discovery. Tebek, thank you so much, man. Appreciate that. So you got that move once you break out of this area right here, this 1950 area. And from the bottom to the top, you're looking at 126% measured move once you break. Back above. So you're looking in the short term here about $44. Okay. So STMX, ICX. STMX, ICX. We're starting to round out here, right? You guys see that? Got this massive move, this 76% move. I don't think we did the whole move, but from here, I mean, we did half the move, right? We did more than half the move. So 76% brings us to a new all-time high, right around that 10-cent area. So it looks like it's making that cup right here. Right. All right, I put you to sleep back there, or what?
Watching.
So yeah, nice little cup pattern. Probably break to the upside, most likely, if this this pattern continues. Although the hourly does point down, but that is on the hourly time scale. The 4-hour bullish territory on the MACD, implying also the 4 hours implying hidden bullish divergence that may or may not play out, right? So it really depends on what Bitcoin ends up doing the next 4 hours to 6 hours here. The Bitcoin looks like it's up a little bit on the day. We have a new daily candle, a new weekly open. Let's go back to Bitcoin real quick to take a look at that. Like we said before, the 4-hour was implying further price action up, but the daily was making negative momentum. So two conflicting variables there. We're going to see, obviously, the short term here. We could get back up to the top of the range and see what we end up doing at that resistance, okay? All right, guys. ICX, I got to cover that. Zilica breaking out, BTHO. Yeah, MW. I was going to say that before. I didn't want to upset you, though. That Filecoin looks like it's going to probably go and try to retest the top. ICX. Yeah, let's take a look at that. Getting close to a supply line, guys. Made a higher low on the daily, though, right? Interesting. Yeah, the 4-hour looking prime, right, coming out of this negative momentum here. See if you can break this supply line, right? Key point is breaking that supply line right there. So we're getting close to, there's a moving average here. You guys can see it, right? Right here, right at that 265 area. So that's confluent with the demand line. So we got to break that. Got to break that to move higher on the price. All right. Well, that looks pretty good. Looks okay, actually. VTHO and Matic. Guys, we've been live for over an hour. Make sure you guys smash up that like button, hit the subscribe button if you guys are new to the channel and liking the content here. MW, man, I called out OMG earlier, man. That was a good one. Breaking out. Tezos is breaking out. Bitcoin Cash is a good one, breaking out. Just go scroll back in the stream, bro. I basically gave the world out on the stream already. Do I use BitBoy's Market Cipher? No, man. I use STP product, okay? Was that really a question, bro? Come on, man. Do you know who you're talking to? BitBoy. Come on, man. What do I look like? Can somebody tell this culinary peso guy what's going on here? He joined the STP stream and asked about BitBoys Market Cipher. Come on, man. So VTHO is hugging this this parabola structure here. Our indicators you can find at swingtradepros.com. You can actually get a free trial of one of our indicators if you join the Discord and go to the STP trial section. Okay. I promote BCH. BCH looked good on the chart. I looked at it earlier, man. Looked at it. It looked pretty good. Yeah, so this VTHO coin is kind of just in the middle here of this range where I think it could maybe consolidate here some more before you get a move up, all right? And maybe a 10% move up once you break the range. Thank you so much, Greg Z. Appreciate that. Market Cipher will get you wrecked. Absolutely, man. Absolutely. No, I'm not hating on anyone else's products, man. That's not what I do here. But, oh, okay. He could personally attest to getting wrecked using Market Cipher. There you go. That's screenshot material right there. That's funny, man. That's funny. That's pretty funny. Okay. So VTHO looks pretty good. You know, nice downsloping consolidation. Just kind of trading in this range, downsloping sideways, right? Got a nice pullback from 2.5 cent area. It could be coming into an area where you could see reversal, right? So it sounds good to me. This looks good to me. Longer term looks good. You're looking coming back down to the support area, right? Market Cipher Discord has no support. Just a bunch of lunatics hyping each other up to 100x short Bitcoin. That's effing funny, man. That's pretty funny. Oh man, that's hilarious. All right, so Neo. What else are we looking at here? Neo, Matic, and we looked at STMX. All right, so we're gonna look at Matic. All right, well, Matic, I guess when I drew this out, I was looking at this major neckline. We broke it, but came back down to back test the support again, kind of invalidating the inverse head and shoulders pattern, and that's okay. That happens. Okay, so now we have a discernible supply line, right? A touch here rejected, and a touch here rejected. And we can see here now that we're making these higher lows again, right? Low, higher low. You're just kind of consolidating here now, right? You could get a nice spring up again. Let's look at the hourly and what it's implying. The hourly is implying a move to the upside. We didn't get quite a bullish cross just yet. And the 4 hour is implying a move to the upside on the 4 hour, right? There it is. There's the hidden bullish divergence on the 4 hour. And you're probably going to get a move back up. Test the top of the range. Okay. So there's Matic. No hate, man. No hate. I definitely redacted my statement. All right. I have no hate for some other person's indicator. CryptoFace does really well for himself. He's built a nice community for himself, and he's a great trader. No hate on Market Cipher. I just think that STP products are superior to Market Cipher. That's all. All right. Vite. Yeah, we can look at it. Vite. So this asset, 348% measured move. Yeah, basically did the move from the range break. You could pull back here, it's possible. Just be careful in this one. Not really too sure what this coin does. Obviously, probably an S coin. If you don't pull back, you're gonna head up to 3 cents. That's the 200% chance, or 200% retrace, all right? Let's see. Did I cover everything, guys? I'm gonna get a quick commercial break here, grab some water for you guys. I'll be right back in just 1 second. Gonna just show you guys the alert commercial. I'll be right back. All right. We've got a few more requests we're going to take here tonight. And you guys have a wonderful, happy Easter and a wonderful week here. Oops, sorry about that. Okay. Yeah, we're getting these pullbacks, man. Looks like we're seeing some red on the board right now. We were supposed to look at Solana, right? Oh, we have Ryan behind us, guys. If you guys don't know who that is, he's a gentleman that found us on... Where'd you find us?
My buddy referred me to you.
So his buddy referred us to him about a year ago. He's been part of the SCP community now. He spoke earlier a little bit. Maybe we'll get him to speak here on the exit for the stream. He can do the closing for me tonight. We're gonna look at Solana. All right. Solana has done some things, guys. I'm pretty sure I was trading this at like $1, and I just didn't buy it. But yeah, now $23. What was the BTC weekly close? We can look at it here in a second. H-bar, we covered H-bar earlier in the stream, man. You can definitely look back on that. He should to also spoke some crypto. Okay, yeah, I mean, he'll probably, he's just an observer right now. He's actually learning how to chart in TA here with me tonight. He's all into NFTs for sure. We were talking about before he bought TVK at 6 cents, the big NFT coin that he bought. And TRX is ripping. What's your thoughts on the 11-year Bitcoin resistance? Yeah, Solana can go to 35 bucks. That's the next major fib. All right, it closed a nice weekly candle, bullish engulfing candle. Look at DGB. Yeah, we can look at it. 3-1. Did you buy it? Did he buy Thick Pikachu? Did you buy that?
Oh, but there's a Pokemon coin.
No, but he said there's a Pokemon coin that he just bought or is going to buy. This can't be all the chart data on Digi. That's not enough. Where's the data? Bitfinex. 2018? Is that right?
A penny's back now.
No. That makes more sense. This is the BTC pair, though. You need to push daily chart to bring more people here. Can you look up the 11-year Bitcoin resistance? It hit it perfectly. What 11-year resistance are you talking about? 62K? I mean, are you talking about the 62.1% retrace area? You know, we're still making higher lows on the weekly, guys. Like, this low has been respected. This dip was bought. You can see the wick here on the weekly. Yeah, the daily doesn't look so good. We've made some lower highs on the daily. I said this before, the daily chart doesn't look too good, right? But we could be looking at like an inverse head and shoulders pattern, right? Could be looking at something like that. Future reality, man. I'm on here daily, man, for an hour minimum every day. Streaming every day. It's going to test the resistance again, man. But yeah, we're looking a little extended for sure, which is why the altcoins are probably a bigger buy than Bitcoin right now. You know, you got TRX like just going to the moon right now, right? You got like VeChain breaking out right now. DRX about to break out. Maker breaking out. TRB breaking out. I mean, like, what do you guys want, man? This is altcoin season, not Bitcoin season. We looked at ADA. You're looking at BLX, right? On that? See what SAR's throwing here on the weekly. I guess we can't use this data SAR. SAR still throwing weekly long signals, man. Do you buy this? Yeah, man. I mean, I think it's one of our best products. Definitely check it out. Alt season gonna be hard? I don't know, man. Have you seen the total 2 versus total chart recently? We just broke out in a big way, man. Big way. Like, let's look at the monthly chart. We just closed the monthly, right? This is about to break the F out, man. Altcoins are about to go nuts. Absolutely nuts. Like, OMG's already up 5% since we just called it out. Bitcoin Cash is probably ripping right now, too. There it goes. Near protocol, yeah. You can look at it. BIFI. I can't. This one's not even on the chart, man. Oh, wait, it is. Yeah, it is. Yeah, there's nothing to chart here. What the hell is that? Oh, yeah, Gregsy. Yeah, absolutely, yeah. This looks like you might come back down to test more support on Biffy. Near protocol. Let's look at it. What should you long with 5x live? Man, that's up to you, man. You know, I'm not giving financial advice on the stream, brother. We did say XRP is going to make a major move. Near protocol, inverse head and shoulders pattern, guys. You guys seeing this? Come on, let's go. Beautiful, beautiful setup here on the 4 hour. All right, I got time for 2 more tickers, guys. And I want 2 tickers that are like not LTC and XRP. Come on, throw me some shit I haven't seen, guys.
What up, Bomb? Bomb.
What was it?
Bondly.
Bondly being called out here by Ryan. Does this look right to you? Does this have enough data?
Well, that looks right at 5 or 6. Was that about 13 months ago?
It was like 6 cents bottom.
Yeah.
Oh, this is right then. Okay, there's enough data on this chart. So Bondly here, guys. Bondly.
Other me.
We looked at DOT. Yeah, 40% move for DOT. Let's just buy it for what? Oh yeah? How about that? How about tomorrow?
Could be. Giving gold, man.
ETH breaking out. Nice. Let's go. BNB. Yeah, we looked at BNB a few times. Sound of Ibiza. All right, we got one more ticker, guys. I want to see something I haven't seen before, though. Not SXP or BNB or OXT or Key. GLM. What's GLM? Guys, give me the most hidden gem coin you know. That's under 20 million market cap. Come on, ready, go. No, not ZRX. Under 20 million cap. Come on, go. Those are all over 20 million cap. What's Gear? I've never heard of that. Ooh. 2.5 million cap. What's this S coin? Oh my god, wrecked. What is this shice coin? They're not even mainnet. Interesting. UndX, FinFlow. Like, what are these shit coins? Isla, there you go.
Is this under 20 million? It's gotta be. It's like 100 million.
130 million, yeah. 150 million. Rip it. Gear.
Put up Spider.
Spider?
I think is under 20 mil. SPD.
2.7. No volume though.
That's a good market cap though.
Yeah.
Especially VPNs are about to pop off. That's the next big thing.
Spider DAO. Okay, they're
there's your boy Frontier. Major partnerships and Bonley.
What's the supply on this token? 1 billion? 200 million circulating. Hedgick, yeah, we know about Hedgick. I'm gonna look at SPDR. Look at that scam wick. This thing is definitely not liquid.
They've got a liquidity mining pool, 160% APY with a stable coin.
Which one?
This one, Spider and USDC, and get 160.
Yeah, but you need both, right?
Yeah, you need both.
F that.
But this is wrecked.
This is wrecked. Is it gonna get more wrecked?
I don't think. Possible on all season.
This looks pretty good now.
That's what I'm saying. 160% moving up, and you're already wrecked.
SPDR looks pretty good, guys. Oh. Where can I buy this? Uniswap. Unitwap. It's not on any big exchanges though. Is it gonna get listed on Binance, you think?
Okay. Got good partnership.
Chat's going nuts right now. Yeah, guys, I'm looking at this Spider DAO token right now. VPN stuff.
If you buy their NFT, they'll give you a free VPN hardware unit from themselves. Yeah. Model flies you. Oh well.
Pokepet?
Yeah, that's the Pokepet. You buy the Pokepet, you get the VPN hardware.
That's cool. All right, we'll look into this more. All right, guys. Thank you guys so much for joining the stream tonight. Hope you guys had fun. Hope you guys got some good value out of this stream. We'll catch you guys tomorrow, all right? See you guys next time. Make sure you guys join the Discord. Check out the SP products. SwingTradePros.com. If you guys have any questions, my name is Mr. Know It All on the channel. Be sure to hit me up. We'll talk to you guys soon.
I was going to have some last words.